think it will be in the interest of the courts and all the parties before you today for the IG to appear, like she has said on Monday, so that we can move this matter forward. So, in a nutshell, I would have no objection to the AG's request, and I request the court to consider the same.
The sitting of this court was to be at 10. The IG is someone we take around this country in choppers. You could have attended this court and still be in Mombasa today. My Lord, this court has given orders to ministers before. In our last sitting on 3rd, we quoted for you the case of the Constitutional Petition 51 on 2018, Miguna versus Fred Matiang'i, and we that this court has the power to summon the IG or any person, and when that summons are given, those summons must be respected. We have families who are brothers to petitioners, siblings to the petitioners, parents to the petitioners, who don't know where the persons they are interested or they care about are missing for 3 weeks. Either this constitution protects its citizens or it doesn't. Either this constitution is where the IG derives its power, or the IG can assume some powers that this constitution has not given, and which are beyond the purview of this court. My Lord, we invite you to reject any explanation by the IG, to sit on the specific issue of today's sitting, and to find and punish for the contempt. That's all.
It appears the court has forgotten about the other respondents.
You are quiet.
No, there is a way we do it. We start after. Yes.
I thought you said this was not an issue that
But now that we are still a party,
my Lord, they even say they are supporting opposition.
to go back to the proceedings of that,
yes.
categorically saying that this is an issue that involves the first respondent and the petition.
And our prayer was that we be removed, but we were still on record.
You have to support it.
Now, I want to say something small.
You have something to say to me?
Yes, very short.
What is it?
I understand your lordship, the predicament with the petitioners, and we sympathize with them because of the anxiety this matter has created. However, given that the first respondent have suggested a date, it has come from them. I humbly submit that it's just 2-3 days away. Give them the last chance. It's because they have suggested a specific day and they have consulted with an officer from that institution here. I humbly request the court to consider, given the seriousness of this matter. Thanks.
Your Lordship, if I may take up only 30 seconds of your time for the petition, just one point.
The petition of the
Your Honor, I wanted.
No, I don't think we will be able to say that.
Yes, Your Honor, you wanted to sit before my senior petitioner.
And the reason why I've given an opportunity to Mr. Work is because he is presenting a separate petition. The rest of the petitioners are represented by other advocates who have already spoken. have to align yourself to the submissions of the other councils who are coming. Before you come to court, you need to have a sitting and explain what it is that you are going to put across and who is going to do it. So that you do not have everybody speaking. There are times you find that particular party has more than 10 arguments. You cannot allow them, all of them to speak. So you need to talk to your fellow councils so that as the councils start to speak, you take and go for the right? So for now, I'm only giving a chance to the respondents who are the people to say because we have practiced this. So for now, please, you have to be content with what your colleagues are saying.
Thank you, Lordship, for the
My Lord, mine is very good. My name is Kihara here for the Christmas community.
Joshua Manito. Yes, my Lord. What you are staring at, it is the classical example of bold impunity, open defiance of court orders, and a cynical disregard of the authority of this court and the principle of the rule of law. You are being told, my Lord, that the respondent chose to edit your order and have decided for themselves when they can obey the order, my Lord. That, my Lord, a workshop is more important than the lives of 3 citizens of this country. That the right to life and the right to liberty can be suspended because of a workshop. A workshop that the IG can delegate to the deputy inspector general. And you remember, my Lord, on the 3rd when we were here before you, you were informed that the IG was out of town. But immediately when we left this court, the cabinet secretary photos online on his official Twitter account meeting this same person who cannot obey court orders. The court can take judicial notice of that.
Evidence from the back. They have been calling me out for giving evidence from the back. I believe that is also evidence from the back. And we object to addition to that.
Yes, my Lord. What you're submitting is that this court cannot be left to babysit its own court orders. Once orders have been issued, they must be complied with unless they have been set aside. My Lord, we submit that the lives of Kenyans and the place where their families have been put into cannot wait until when the IG chooses when he can come to court. We submit that Monday is too far, my Lord. A flight from Mombasa to Nairobi is a maximum of 45 minutes. And for him who has security guards, they can even take less than that. We submit, my Lord, that they should come to court and they should obey these court orders that have already been issued. That's all.
My Lord, just to add, just one point. On behalf of a specific petitioner who remains missing, my Lord, I introduce myself that I'm coming on behalf of Bob Jagi. My name is Omar. My Lord, as I said in my earlier submission to you, the council representing the IG is missing the point. And dragging this court to a side issue which is not relevant for today's sitting. Persons who are citizens of this country have been missing for the last 3 weeks. This court, in its ruling on the 3rd, had very specific pronouncements. Before it came to the conclusion and the order that the IG must explain himself. One, to explain if and why these people are arrested, abducted, and remain in custody. Two, in the event they have any other explanation, they ought to appear before this court by virtue of their constitutional responsibility to accord every person security in this country. It cannot fall in their mouth to choose how to explain it.
The court has made a conclusion, or a decision has been made by this court, that the second, third, and fourth respondents are in custody of the first respondents, or the first and fourth respondents. It is not true, no decision has been made. But this morning, I have information that my client is in Mombasa with claiming evidence. Attending a workshop that is a must attend for him. The workshop is on the validation forum for the final review of work plan and budget. Budget for North-Eastern and Coast Region security strategy. As the head of security, which is key to the nation, and his work continuity, he had to attend the discussion.
Certainly, Your Lordship, objection to the same. My name is Monishi. Council is testifying rather than submitting on the law for the petitioner. Your Lordship, we do consent that if Council continues to produce funds, we should be treated or allowed to cross on the same.
My lord, the reason why I came with an officer from the office of the Inspector General is for him to admit this document and produce them before this court. And the Inspector General has not said that he's not coming before this court. What he's asking that he should be given another date. For him to make the necessary arrangements. And is also requesting that the reply of the David file be considered because it is our position that the second, third, and fourth respondents are not in the custody of the police. They are not persons of interest.
His Lordship raised once more, seeking your clarification on my objection.
Ms. Mwangi, yes, we are mixing up issues.
Yes, my lord, and that I'm requesting that if in the interest of justice, my lord, if you can allow me.
The only reason why we are here is because the court was in the value of time.
My lord, and that's why we are explaining so we can get another date for the IG.
You are asking us to, or rather, what you are trying to say is that we are now going to the substance of the application that is before us.
My lord, the petition that went before the went way deep into the substance of the petition.
First and foremost, we have not accepted your those are the initial which must be accepted. That is the procedure. Once there is content, you cannot look at any other until and unless either you punish for that content or you punish the content. So that is what we are doing.
Yes, my
We
lord,
will
and
go to
also,
those other issues that we are raising, whether or not the custody of the police, whether or not they are arrested. Those things we still have the time. We will still have. We will deal with that at an appropriate time. But for now, the reason why we convene this sitting is because of what has transpired. And that's what we're trying to do.
yes, my lord, then we'll be requesting.
We have given you all the opportunities from our to bring up those facts with regard to the issue of these petitioners. Second, fourth petitioners who are still impacted and their whereabouts are.
My lord, this petition, actually, we can go to the substance of.
Can we have the court address us without having an exchange with the court?
Thank you. This morning we come to that because you see, for us to move forward, we must use the issue that is before us. And that is the evidence of the Inspector General of Police to explain why the orders which the court has issued today have not been complied with. Simple. And I expected you to tell me, I have the Inspector General of Police there, he is supposed to explain this is then we move forward. Simple. It's that simple, it's not complicated. So we cannot keep on going around the same issue. We need to come direct, tell me you don't have the Inspector General of Police. As a court, you are free to do what you want and I will do.
My lord, that is where I was requesting, and the Inspector General is requesting for another date. When he can appear before the court because he is aware of the issues. He is aware of the court order and is willing to obey the court order and is seeking for the court indulgence. My lord, that is what I was trying to explain. Since he brought that here, I thought the officer would explain better than me. Requesting that the court indulge the IG and give him another opportunity to appear before the court. Yes, I know we are supposed to collect it. Just like I hear from the IG. Requesting the court to bring back the IG, considering the nature of work, the nature of justice. To be charged with the security of this country, it's a very